Mm, mm. Yeah, usually when that happens, that's just, yeah. I think it's gonna probably drop, and then I mean we'll see, man. But I mean I think I've seen this so often that I should already expect what's gonna happen. I should already expect what's gonna happen already. It's gonna probably. Mm. Hey yo, what's up, Tony Gold? What's up? Nothing much. Gold has definitely been, man. Gold, man. Did you trade gold today? Well, of course you did, Tony. Of course. Hey, what's up, Alfred? Of course you traded gold today. Gold, dude. I swear, man. I freaking swear. Not only did gold drop about 400 or 500 points today, but it made a full recovery, a full freaking recovery, and then it opens up the next session. It traps, it induces longs, traps them, and then literally dumps. Good thing I was able to recognize that the market was in a downtrend and I didn't get caught up in trying to go long on a pullback because I recognize that. Let's actually look at gold, man. Let's look at gold. We can probably get a trade tonight on gold because shit, gold literally is moving like 500 points, literally. I mean, from the high of the session. I should look at the high of the session, man. This is crazy, man. Hey, yo, what's up, Mad Moxie? What's up? But shit, gold is going absolutely crazy. Yeah, I saw her. I mean, it's been a long time, Mad Moxie. What's up, man? Or ma'am, ma'am. But tonight I gotta think gold. Uh, silver was kind of moving like an old lady tonight, so I looked at the gold chart and man, actually, let me show y'all guys this. Let me show y'all guys this because I'm gonna show you what payout fever looks like. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure y'all guys can guess what days I had payout fever. Now, this day right here was a mistake. I thought I was on micro silver. I forgot that I forgot that I was still on the minis, and so I entered two contracts on the wrong side of the market, and the thing pops up. And actually, I probably would have already, like, if I was paying attention, I probably did make like the maximum daily profit and didn't even realize it because I just set the limit and walked away. But yeah, I hit daily loss limit so damn fast on two minis on a 50K. It's ridiculous. But it's these 2 days right here were the payout fever days. I had my I just needed one more day to take out this day right here to get a payout right here. And yeah, I lost $1,700. And I said, that's fine. And I says, I'm gonna just get back to jabbing, get back to it. And then I just needed 2 more days, and this is my third day to get a payout. Nope. I did the same damn thing. Now, the crazy thing is about this day is if I actually waited and been patient, my setup presented itself literally after I hit the daily loss limit, which is fucking crazy. But I said, you know what? You can fool me once, shame on you. You fool me twice, shame on me. But a fool me ain't gonna get fooled again. So even though this was my last day for a payout right here, you know, I try to convince myself to get in with 2 mini silver contracts on that pump after the initial pump happened. It probably would have worked. It probably would have, but you know, I told myself that I wasn't going to do it. I wasn't going to do it. And I'm glad I didn't, because I mean, even if I did make the money that I needed to make, it wouldn't have felt good. It wouldn't have been a real victory. Not really. Yeah, I appreciate that, man, Moxie. Oh shit. Hey, well, hold on. Are you still in the Discord? Post it in the chat or DM me, and we can show it on stream. But congratulations on your payout. So shit, me and Moxie, we twins tonight, man. Yo, we twins tonight. We both getting a payout. So I'm on my TFD account right now, and Bad Moxie. This is my account. For whatever reason, I just can't. I take like a step forward and 10 steps back in this account. I don't know what it is about this account, but I've been in this account for 3 months, and I'm still in phase 1. I'm still in phase 1. Yeah, dude, I know, man. Gold is going absolutely freaking crazy, and I missed the entry long. Oh shit, that means if hold on. Did silver just do something? Let me see. Well, I guess I would have had my P&L up if silver pumped up. So I do got my limits on silver sitting. We'll see if it works. We'll see. I mean, let's see if we can find a position on gold. We did see a big push higher on gold. It did just break structure to the upside. Did see a break of structure to the upside. I think we can trust longs here. I think we can trust a pullback long. I think we can. I think we can. Let me see. Hey, Matt Moxie, are you still trading NQ, or what are you trading now? Because gold is going absolutely crazy right now. So I think we can find something. I think we can find something. All right, so we just broke structure to the upside. We broke this. All right, well, let me get it on my NinjaTrader chart, because I'm basically talking to myself. Y'all guys don't see what I'm talking about. Okay. All right, so we just broke structure to the upside. We just broke these swings right here. So I think it's safe to say that this is a change of character of the market, and that if the market gives us an opportunity for a pullback to go long, I think we should take that. Take that. So I'm gonna look for an opportunity for a pullback to go long. That's my plan right now for gold until it changes. Okay, so all right, let's see. We got that big range right there too, so I'm definitely going to yeah, I'm definitely looking for a pullback long here. 1, 7, 2, 3. You still on MNQ? I mean, why does people think that gold is stressful? I feel like gold is just very simple. Gold is simple. I mean, it moves more, for sure. But gold is very simple. Just wait for the pullback. Just wait for the pullback. Kind of like this right here. So I mean, I guess I wasn't, well, this thing happened literally at the start of the stream, but as I was setting everything up, but breaks a structure, pullback into a range, I would have taken this. Well, I didn't really pull back to the 50% though. It didn't pull back to the 50%, but It kind of, yeah, I guess it did pull back to that. I mean, if you want to use that for the range, want to use that for the range right there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I guess that's the range that everybody was looking at, I guess. I mean, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, man, right there. I think that's about it. I think that's the range everybody was looking at right there. Break of structure, pullback. And now we're seeing, so now what I'm looking for now is for price to come back into this range right here. And so if gold blesses us with a pullback, this is where I'm gonna get in. This is where I'm going to get in if we get a pullback. But if this thing continues to trend higher, we just have to go. We just have to wait for the market to reset itself up. Or I mean, I guess we could just set the limit and just let the market come back. I mean, eventually it'll come back. I think that's what we're gonna do. Why not? Yeah, I think this limit's gonna probably get ran. Honestly, I think I'm gonna get ran here. Yeah, I think I was gonna probably run. Well, we'll see, man. I got to take this trade. I have to take the trade, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so if the market misses me, so I mean, obviously it's missed me right here. If we actually, if it breaks down, I'm gonna pull this order because I'm looking for the breakdown, the retest of this range and this break of structure right here. So I'm looking for the retest. I mean, I guess they kind of already did it, but with silver's been kind of iffy. So I wanted to kind of be at the top of this. Okay, so I guess I should have just stuck with the 50% instead of trying to be cute. All right, so if it breaks down, I'm going to pull this order, and then I'll just wait for the next area, for them to test the next area right there. All right, let's see what happens here. I will keep gold on my chart real quick. Yeah, I don't think, the way that gold is moving right now, I don't think it's going to pull back. Yeah, I don't think it's going to pull back. At least not right now, unless it just super drops. All right, silver, don't be nasty to me. Don't be nasty to me. Yeah, I didn't want to trade at the 50% of this range because I thought that this thing was going to kind of run this area, stop me out, and then go in my direction. So I wanted to trade at the top of the range. But yeah, it looks like I should have just traded at the 50%. Okay. You said it's a DLL. Now this is micro silver, so I should only lose $270 here. Hey, yo, what's up, Cave Trader? Oh yeah, Top Step sent the love letter already. So they just deposited the funds into the account. I just locked it in. It's now my business account. So it's just sitting in my business account now, where it's supposed to be, with all the rest of its friends. I have all the payouts that I've gotten so far is just sitting in my business account, and I don't really touch it. So I got money from last year, and honestly, what it does, it just kind of just shows me when I start to, well, I don't necessarily doubt myself, but when I need to remind myself of what I'm capable of, I just look at that account and it says that every dollar that's in that account is a dollar that you worked for on your own time and on your own clock. You didn't have to go in and clock in onto somebody else's clock to make any of that money. That shit is all mine. It's all mine. It's all mine. I did that shit. I just like watching it grow. And that's how I get payout fever too. So I want to be completely honest about that. I get payout fever looking at that account because I tell myself, man, I can't wait to put more money in that account. How can I put more money in that account a lot faster? And that's how I get payout fever. Okay, so let's see. We'll see if Silver just pushes through this thing. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully she's gonna be nice to me here. Yeah, I appreciate that, Alfred. Gold's been pretty nice. Actually, let me. Well, I guess we'll see. Pretty sure as soon as Gold had like a few setups that I missed, and literally I was sitting in front of my charts and I was like, dude, how did I miss that? I missed this pullback trade, and then Gold literally misses me by like 3 or 2 ticks on this one. So I had my limit like at this high right here. Or actually I had my limit at where did I have my limit at? Hold on, is that it? So I thought it was like 6.6 or something like that. It was like 4.66 or something like that. It was something. It was like at 7 o'clock. Forgot. Anyway, no, I think it was right here. Where was it at? Anyway, I really don't remember. But it missed me by 2 ticks. And then it just proceeds to just super dump. And I was like, God damn. God damn. How did I miss that? And the trade that I took that locked in my payout was this trade right here. This was the trade right here. I was highly confident that it was going to work. And you already know that all the other trades worked instantly. But this one, you know, it played around a little bit before it dropped and hit my target. And then it proceeds to super dump. And it seems like I keep finding myself in positions where I'm getting in at the top of the move. It's just that I don't know it at the time. And that's going to be my next. Oh, come on, Silver. Come on. Stop acting like that. Damn. But anyway, that's my goal moving forward. Just begin to recognize where I'm getting in at, because I'm just trading at areas of support and resistance. I'm not really looking for the big moves down, but we continuously find ourselves at the top of the move and only taking like 10 points or something like that. When the market drops about 500 points, like in gold this morning, or in silver, the last session it dropped like what, 2, 3, 500 ticks or however much it dropped, and we only took a small portion of it. All right, so it looks like silver's not going to be nice to me here. Well, I guess she hasn't really dropped yet. Okay. Yeah, I should be good. If it fills this order, I should be good. But if it drops, I definitely have to pull this order though. And we'll just look for a position on gold. But gold is definitely, so I guess, well, okay. Mm. But gold has definitely changed characters though. I wouldn't try to short gold until it changes character again. If you're trading gold tonight, uh, gold has to break this low right here before shorts will work. This is the current major low right now. We got price. This is the leg that breaks structure. It breaks this structure. It breaks, I think, about just about like what, 4 pivot points. So we got a structure broken right there. And so if it pulls back, you'll definitely have aggressive buyers. You have a range right here. So if you can catch the short back into this range, that would be ideal. But if it trades into this range, I would consider taking profits. It's highly likely not to work. It could work. It could, but it's highly likely that it's not. All right. So it looks like, all right, silver. All right. All right. Well, okay. I got to pull the order. I guess I should have just stayed at the 50%. What my concern was is that I thought it was going to go to the top of the range because of how volatile it's been. Because I got stopped out at the 50% this morning, and then it came to the top of the range. So I thought it was going to do it again today or tonight. But unfortunately for me, it stayed at the 50% and didn't go to the top of the range. And then we're seeing the move lower. So I'm going to have to pull this order, unfortunately. Yeah, I mean, that sucks. That sucks. Okay. Silver. Making me look foolish on stream. I'll remember that. All right. So the reason why I went short on silver here is because where's that major low? The major low is at 11158. 1115 18. Okay. Yeah, so it broke this low right here, or it broke this low right here. Okay. So we had a breaker structure underneath this low right here. 1115. Well, yeah. Forgot like 20. And we got the breaker structure. We got a range. We got a break of the range. And to pull back into this range, we should see the market reject here. I mean, this is just how easy trading metals are. All I got to do is make sure that you know where your current major high and low is. Look for your ranges. Look for the 50% on the top of the range, and you should get the reaction that you're looking for. I mean, this is just easy money at this point. All right. Well, that's it. I mean, we can find another trade. We can find something else. And it just sucks that silver didn't give us grace right there. Okay. Mm. Mm. And 11,100, huh? Okay. Mm. 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 I mean, we can find if we can find an opportunity to. So if the market wants to continue higher here, we could potentially find an opportunity down here to potentially go long. Oh shit. Ah, oh my god. Oh, I just saw this range, man. I just saw it. Ah, damn it. Look at where it bounced. I just saw it. Okay. Okay. That's fair. Mm. I guess I don't necessarily need that. I mean, I guess this could be potentially a range here, but mm, 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 okay. So I have a limit sitting at the 50% and at the top of this range. So if this limit order gets filled and the price runs, or actually, I don't think I can do that. This is where if I get stopped out, I'm going to place another order right here at 395. Hmm. 201, 3. 201, 3. Hmm. 201, 3. Hmm. Okay. So I'm just gonna place a limit there on gold. So I don't want to miss it, but at the same time I don't want to pay attention to it. So 201.03. I'm gonna place 5 micro contracts here. My risk, I'm risking $270 to make $720. And I'm gonna trade at the top of this range because I don't have to be as perfect as with silver because I have a 5-point stop. So I'm gonna trade at the top of this range just in case it misses me completely. And then the 50%, I mean, it works on gold. It works on gold, but it works better on silver. It works better on silver. So I'm just going to stick to the top of the range. Okay, well, maybe. All right, let's see if we can fill here. Let's see. You too, Mac Mousy. Have a good night. Let's see. Hmm. All right, let's see if we can get filled here. See if we can get filled. All right, come on. Come on, gold. You was doing so. Come on. Hmm. 598. Hmm. Hmm. You say you passed that 150 combine? Oh, congratulations, Alfred. You passed it on that drop or with gold or silver or MNQ? Hmm. All right, let's see if we can get filled here. Our boy Alfred, he passed the 150K. So are you going to activate it today or are you going to wait until next week? Excuse me. You say your win rate was terrible this week or tonight? Dude, that's how you always get that shit back in blood with silver. That's why, dude, silver, like, okay, so let me talk about my P&L calendar real quick. Let me talk about this, man. This is all silver except this day right here, which is gold. Actually, these 2 days are gold. These 2 days are gold right here. But everything else is silver. So, you know, I'm only risking $270 to make $720, and I guess they take $7 or $6.30, which is crazy, in commissions on 2 contracts. That's kind of crazy now that I'm looking at it. But this is all silver. I had this big nasty day, and then my one win takes out half of this. It takes me 2 days to take out half of this, or to take this entire losing day out and be profitable. And I had this big, massive losing day. These 2 days take this day's. Actually, no, it doesn't. It doesn't take this day out. And then I had this day right here. And then I was able to take these days out. I had 3 red days and all these green days. And this is the power of playing the numbers game. This is the power. You have to have at least a 1 to 2, but I trade with at least a 1 to 2.5 with silver. It takes 3 losing days to wipe out 1 winning day if I trade the strategy correctly. Here, I did not play the strategy correctly at all, and I was still able to win playing the numbers game. So that's why having measured results are so important. That's why measured results are so important. Because I was telling this to Alfred earlier, but if this account did not have a daily loss limit, which I thought it was $1,200. I don't know why I'm losing like $1,700. I don't know where that came up. And I looked at my chart, my dashboard, and it said my daily loss limit is $1,500. I was like, what the fuck is up with that? I thought this was supposed to have a $1,200 loss limit. Why does it have a 15? But still, I was able to get where I needed to go because I was playing the numbers game. And that's the point I really want everybody here to take in. Play the numbers game. Have measured results. That's why it's blasphemy for me to take profits ahead of my target. Pure blasphemy. What's up, Lone Wolf? Yeah, so yeah, silver's been treating me pretty good, man. I mean, it's been missing my damn entries like it just did tonight. I straight up missed my entry. Oh, I guess it's my fault, I guess. I figured, so earlier today, I traded a 50% of a range, and it stops me out, and then, you know, it trades at the top of the range, and then that's where we got that big rejection from this morning. So I figured that it was going to do the same thing again. I traded at the top of the range, and then it stops at the 50. So I guess silver was just trying to show her ass tonight. She bounced at this range, but I didn't really trust it because we left this range. But I mean, you know, I guess this is why we trade what we see and not what we think. You know, price traded back into a range, into the 50%. It bounced. I would have got my target hit. So, I mean, You got $1,300 plus. Yo, congratulations on that, man. You said that we got PII news at the end of the month, so anything can happen. Yeah. You're gonna pass your smasher with a mini. Hmm. Oh, why do you feel like you need to do that, K Trader? 25Ks are no joke. They are no joke, man. If you need to trade micros in any of Apex accounts, it's definitely those 20. Oh shit. Oh my god. Shit. God damn. Did y'all see that? God damn. Oh, gold. Oh, baby. Oh man. Gold, don't do this. Think about all the good times that we had together. Okay. Damn. Well, I guess that's my fault again too. So these metals they're trying to teach me a lesson apparently about following my rules. They're trying to teach me a lesson apparently. Let's see if we can kind of get our money back here. Yeah, let's see if we can just get this thing to the top of this range right here. Let's see if we get like 25 points and back to the top of that range. Let me see. 220, 224. 224. Probably. Yeah, let's see if we can get 20 points. Get 20 points here. Yeah, 20 points. Let's see if we can get that. Ooh, oh, gold. Oh, okay, okay. You wanna give me a little bit more? Okay. All right, but I'm trying to get too foolish here. Yeah. Trying to get too foolish here. So we're up like 18 points right now. Come on, gold. Don't do that. Don't do that, baby. Don't do that. Don't do that. Smash that target up there. All right. Well, I mean. Okay. I'll accept this. 21 points. I'll accept a 21 point play. Let's go, baby. 21 points. So we're literally up like 15 points right now. Come on, gold. No, they better act right. What's up, Adam? No, hit that damn target. There we go, baby. Damn, that's what we talking about right there, baby. Beautiful play, guys. Beautiful play. And look at exactly where it bounces at. The 50% of the range, man. I mean, I don't know what the hell I'm doing tonight, man. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why I'm doing that. I don't know why I'm doing it. Why am I not trading the 50% of the range? I mean, I guess after today, I don't trust it. I don't trust it, but I guess the market is calming down, so that was a beautiful play, man. We would have had more money if silver, helped us out. But shit, we literally had a 21 point play hit instantly on gold, man. That's just how volatile gold is right now. Beautiful play. All right, so let's see if we can find something on silver. Ah, shit, man, Alfred, you need. Damn, Alfred. He said, "Nah, we about to activate this shit now." Okay. All right. This is a very aggressive play. It's very aggressive. If I can kind of get it right here, I will I don't think it's going to give me the entry that I want. But I'll just sell until the stops right there. Hopefully it doesn't pop back up and try to stop me out. Yeah, dude. I mean, Alfred, man, I would just, well, I mean, you already activated it. I would lock it up, man, until tomorrow morning. I would lock it up, bro. That's my recommendation to you. I mean, it's your account, but I would highly recommend locking it out. There is literally no reason to have it. I mean, it's 9:20 Central Time. You got to go to bed. You got to wake up early tomorrow. You don't want to find yourself in a position that you can't close. All right. Oh shit, man. Come on. All right, man. It gave me an opportunity to sell right there at that 50%. It gave me an opportunity. Let's see if it'll give me another one. Okay. Let's see if it'll give me another one. Shit. This is an aggressive entry, man. Super aggressive. Super aggressive entry. Hit that target, baby. Hit that target. Hit that damn target. That damn target, man. Oh, man. Out with that. Oh. All right, cool. All right. Yo, yo, I'm glad that we was able to get them two. Them range plays, baby. Them range plays. So we have like 1,500 in this account right now. So I need to lock this out. I made maximum daily profit in this account. And it looks like made 1,500 in this account in the week, baby. We up 4K this week, baby. We up 4K this week in silver and gold. That's what we talking about. All right, let me lock this shit up real quick, man. Let me lock it up. Cool. All right, man. I mean, all my funded accounts are locked up. I don't trade my funded accounts on Friday. I did trade my Lucid account. I mean, that was going to get traded. There is no lock feature. So it just didn't feel right to leave that account untraded. But I'm glad I did because, like I said, I was able to get that payout tonight, lock that shit in. And I got to do all that whole process with, I don't know if Lucid uses Rise or Wise or whatever the hell they use. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, I know, right? Yo, I appreciate that live futures trades. I mean, shit, we do this, man. We trade live all the time, man. Using market structure. I mean, I had two choices in this situation. What I really wanted was to wait for a price to come back to the 50% of this range, or I was going to trade into these seller stops or into these buyer stops right here. And you can just see them getting stopped out of this position, selling to traders' pain, selling to their pain points. And look at all this okay. That's fine. I mean, we made the maximum daily profit, man. Show gratitude. Focus on what we did get and not what we don't have. But it's hard, man. Greed is one of the deadly sins for a reason, man. It is one of the deadly sins for a reason. It just makes you, it makes you focus on the things that you don't have. It doesn't, like, dude, the crazy thing is unsatiable. It's unfulfilled. It's a bottomless pit. It doesn't matter how much money I make. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how much money I don't make. It's never satisfied. All right. All right, so I'm in the practice account right now, guys. I have no more accounts to give today. So I'll be trading in the practice account. Or, I mean, no, I'm not getting any more evals. Actually, I don't even know. Why does it look so different on, oh yeah. It's like, dude, why does it look so different? 285, 770. 285, 770. Why does it look so different? This is a 100 tick chart. 275. No. That damn is super. Okay. It's like 275, and then it was like what, 170 or something like that, or 770. 109, 770. 109, 770. I don't know why it looks so different. Candles look super different. Yeah, doesn't the candles look different to y'all guys? Huh. So this is Top Step. This is the futures desk. And the candles look super different. Wonder what's going on. Yeah, it definitely does live futures trades. That 50% back into the range. Yeah, it definitely works. Yeah, you know, honestly, I mean, I'm not going to attack anybody if they trade the fair value gaps, but on silver, on metals, I have yet to see fair value gaps be a consistent strategy. Maybe on the indices, maybe. When I traded the indices, when I traded NASDAQ, or if I traded ES, fair value gaps were not a part of my strategy. The same strategy that I'm using on silver was what I used on NASDAQ and ES, is finding trading ranges, drawing them out, looking for the breaks of that trading range, and trading the pullback. That's what's been consistent for me. And that strategy works beautifully on gold and silver. You cannot go wrong with that strategy. So I wonder what the heck happened, man. Yeah, this thing like literally ticked me out. Like it literally ticked me out. Yo, congratulations on that payout, man. Congratulations. I mean, this is what this is all about, right? This is what this is all about. Having this, trading these prop firms, having it replace your 9 to 5 if you have one, and be able to generate your own income. Become an adult. You know, honestly, my next goal is so once I become super consistently profitable, meaning that like every week I'm extracting money from the markets and not having my blow up days or something like that. I saw this short with Shaq and I saved it, but you know, I want to share it with you guys. Shaq says that, you know, when he was making all that money from like his shoes, his brand deals, being in the NBA, et cetera, he was making so much money that he owed the IRS millions of dollars. And someone pulled him aside and suggested that, or they share with him that in order to, you know, to lessen your taxes, employ your family members and pay them a reasonable salary or however much you want. And in his interview, he said that he paid his mom and daddy about $700, $700K annually a year, which obviously he doesn't have to pay the IRS that money. He can pay his family members $700K a year, which saves on taxes because he hired his mom and dad as employees. Now, someone in the comment section says, well, they're not going to get it from Shaq, but they'll get it from their parents. But I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, it doesn't matter. Instead of paying the IRS all that money, he was able to empower his parents and give them the income, and they're not clocking on nobody else's clock but Shaq. He said he made his name into a brand, which his name is a brand. And that's my goal moving forward, man. I'm gonna employ my family members. I'm gonna start playing the game like the big boys, man. Like the big boys. I want to give my kids, legacy. I don't want them to learn how to clock into somebody else's clock. I'm going to be the hero of my kids' story. I'm going to give them a brand. I'm going to show them how to be successful. They're going to go out and, be successful in social media or whatever is popular when they become older. And they don't have to go out and ask nobody for shit because I'm grinding right now so they can get that shit from me. They don't have to go to any Diddy parties or none of that stupid shit to get ahead in life. I'm gonna provide that shit for them. And these prop firms allows me to do that. So I'm definitely locked into that. I'm definitely locked into this for sure. And that's exactly right. Yep. Yeah. Exactly right. And that's another thing, man. Along my journey I've learned that I'm not supposed to play the game for my kids. I'm not here to play the game for you. I'm here to guide you through this game called life, but I'm not here to play the game for you, and I won't. You are not rich. I'm rich. I worked to get here. You are just a benefactor. A benefactor. That's all you are. You benefit for being my child. But the one thing I teach my daughters right now is that daddy doesn't fall for that victimhood shit. I just won't accept it. I just won't accept it. I'm here to mold my daughters into very powerful. I'm talking about real power, powerful women, and not the shit that we see on, where they be playing pretend and shit, and they're just yelling and just being nasty, just to be intimidating, and all that other shit. Like, no, that's not real power. I'm going to teach them how to be very powerful. Confident, vibrant, understand that their body is a temple. And I'm speaking literally, not figuratively, but literally. I mean, shit. You cannot move through this. You can't navigate through this material world without your body. If you're harming your body, if you're not giving your body the nutrients that it needs, you can't navigate through this material world. It's a temple. It's your boat. It's your ship. That's why they say row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Life is but a dream. That's a truth hidden in plain sight. Your body is your boat. You row it merrily, and you have to remember that life is but a dream. If you have a vision for how you want your life to be, all you have to do is put in the work. That's it. That's all you gotta do. You said that song just gave you chills? All you gotta do is put in the work. There are no excuses. There are no excuses. Either you show up or you don't. And people don't pay attention to the people that don't show up. The people that don't show up are forgotten. They are not acknowledged. Nobody remembers the nobody that doesn't show up. You give up. No one cares about why you gave up. Only they're going to see is that you gave up. That's all they're going to see. Okay. So let's see. Let's see if we can get like an inverse right here, man. Let's see. See, I mean, if it pulls back into this range, I mean, it makes sense, right? I mean, if it pops up, the Bears fail to, well, I mean, we got the rejection, but they failed to hold. And then we get that pullback trade. Let's see, man. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right. So let's see. Let's see if we can get this I'm pretty sure now that I'm saying, okay, fine, I'm gonna trust the 50% of the range is gonna probably bounce at the top. Hopefully that doesn't happen. All right, so let's see if we can find something else in gold. Hmm. See if we can find something else in gold. Well, gold actually presented a actually no, it didn't. Is that the trade that we took? Yeah, that's the trade that we took, and it stopped me out initially, and then it popped right back up. The ATR on gold right now is still around like $6, believe it or not. You need a $6 stop to be able to stay in your position. That is crazy. That's just how volatile gold is right now. You need a $6 stop to stay in your position. Oh shit. Oh shit, I'm on silver. I was like, dude, why am I losing so much money? Oh my god. I'm like, dude, why am I losing so much money right now, dude? All right. We'll see what happens. How did I get on? Okay, whatever, dude. I was like, dude, why am I losing so much money? All right, so yeah, the ATR right now, it actually went down to $4. But it was $6 earlier. Yeah, it was $6 earlier. Crazy. Shit, I don't know, man. But I mean, this is the beauty of silver, and that's exactly how I hit daily loss limit that one day in my account, because I thought I was in micro silver, only expecting to lose $270 if I was wrong, and I hit $1,200. Freaking crazy. Okay. I mean, this is the beautiful thing about silver, man. Oh shit, you see, damn. This is a beautiful thing about silver. I mean, at any point in time with silver, you can take profits at any point. I'm literally up $800, and it's only a couple of ticks away from my entry. I was up about 2K, but again, this is a practice account, so I really don't. I'm not necessarily engaged with the outcome. 675. I think it's like what, 14. Ooh, shit. Okay. Wow. Yeah, dude, y'all saw silver? Yo, she said, okay, I'm gonna wait until you put it down, and then I'm gonna snatch it up. Y'all saw that shit? Okay. All right. So let's see. Yo, she snatched up my stop and then pulled back. That's crazy. Okay. He said, give me that stop. He says, yeah, give me that damn stop. He's like, that's my stop. My grandma gave me that stop. It's my snap. That's my stop, fool. It's my. Yeah, that's freaking hilarious, dude. All right. It's my stop, fool. Yeah, classic. I mean, I don't think it gets any better than Friday. When you're talking about in terms of a classic movie. That's my stop, punk. You want some of this too, old man? No. Yo, rest in peace to that cast though, man. Rest in peace, man. Life got Debo. Uh, man, forgot his name. John Witherspoon. I think it got Ezel too, right? There we go, Silver. There we go. We got a price action gap right here, man. I'm pretty sure they're gonna try to fill it. Let's see. Let's see if the market tries to. I mean, it's gonna fill this gap. Let's see if it's gonna try to do it right, like right now. Yeah, it's gonna probably fill that gap right there. Yeah. It's crazy, man. I was just talking about names with Alfred. Isn't it crazy that people just have these weird names and well, not weird names, but they have these names and then they live up to the names. Like you can tell, like, okay, yeah, this person has a specific type of name. Yeah. But when people want to go, I mean, it's just I feel like I mean, if you're not tragically hit by like a fast moving object that destroys your physical material body, I feel like when people go peacefully, I mean, they're just ready to go. You know, especially with people that accomplish a lot in life, you feel like you have nothing else to that motivate you to move forward. You know, a lot of people they just go like that, is they don't want to be here anymore. The soul doesn't want to be here anymore, and so they leave and they go. I mean, I see that a lot, like with superstars, man. I mean, they accomplish so much in so little. I mean, y'all guys see what's happening to Dwayne the Rock Johnson? I see what's happening to him. And I'm not saying that he's depressed or nothing. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying like, man, look what's happening to him, man. I mean, it's pretty obvious that all that the gear and steroids or whatever the hell he was using to maintain his build is getting to him, because we see that a lot in that industry. But the reason why I thought about him is because I was randomly scrolling in my free time, and I saw an interview with The Rock, and for whatever reason he just felt he felt like he couldn't tell the truth, that he was going through something, that the years of using steroids is catching up to him in his old age, and he had to get off of it. He was like, oh, but he was losing weight for a role. And I was like, all right, guy, come on, guy. I mean, come on. You're not losing no freaking weight for no goddamn role, dude. Like, relax. Just be honest. You ain't gotta lie like that. But I understand that telling the truth to the public also means that he has to tell the truth to himself, that maybe he's not as invincible as he used to be. Because I guess we have to. Well, I guess when we all come face to face to our mortality, is a hard pill to swallow. It's a very hard pill to swallow. Yeah. Yeah. I saw the thing about Cali Muscle. I just didn't watch the video. I didn't watch the video because the creator felt the need to say that it was his fault. So I didn't watch the video. I don't like watching videos where somebody, dude, you're talking about him. Nobody's not talking about you. You're talking about him. I don't ever get into a habit of listening to people talk about people that go out there, take risk, build up a brand, become, influential, and they had to do what they needed to do to get to where they at. I mean, it's never somebody's fault. I mean, obviously he knew the dangers of taking, gear and TRT and all that other stuff, but Doing that changed his life and got him to where he needed to be at. So I don't ever want to watch videos like that. But I'll look into it though. But I definitely watched that video about The Rock though, and I was like, well, that's why I don't necessarily. Me personally, I don't care what nobody else does with their body. I mean, that's not my business. But I just know that that's not for me. I'm gonna go in the gym and I'm gonna work for everything that I'm gonna work for everything and earn everything. Because I know that I'm going to be in this life for as long as I'm willing to be here. And the one thing that I know to be true is if you achieve everything in a short period of time, if you achieve things that usually takes people several lifetimes to achieve, life becomes dull and boring towards the end of your life, and there's literally nothing to do to keep you busy. And that's how people be getting dementia and becoming decrepit, and I ain't trying to live like that. I ain't trying to live like that at all. So, I go to the gym every day and I earn all my gains. I don't need to take steroids or any of that stuff, or at least I don't even want to. I don't want to. Yeah. Yeah, he is, man. Yeah, I'm glad we was making money together, Alfred. Glad to see it, man. And yeah, lock that shit up until tomorrow. Like, dude, there ain't nothing but happening tonight. I mean, I guess there is. It's just that right now, I mean, I'm in this short. It's working because I'm only in the practice account, but that's why it's working. Dude, yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. I mean, that's pretty good, man. $600 on one micro silver, dude. That's pretty good. That's what, like 135 ticks. It's around there, right? Like 120 ticks. I know $630 is 135 ticks. Because that used to be my profit target back in the day. So we're up like 7K right now. Dang, shit. We're up like 7K right now. 12K, 10K. Man. Shit, can we get much lower here on silver? This is why I trade silver. This is why I can't 100% commit to gold. I can't 100% commit to gold when silver is paying me like 10K. I can't do that. Great entry. Or actually, it slipped my order because I know I put my stop here, so it actually kind of slipped my order here, but it's fine. It's fine. I mean, it's working. But it's fine. I mean, I guess even though it slipped my order, I guess it didn't really even have to fill the order at all. It could have just kept going down, but it filled me anyway, so I guess I'm not going to complain. You think it might dump here? Yeah. Yeah, I think that's a good idea, Alfred. Lock it in, man. Lock it in. Have you set your risk settings up though? Man, Alfred, I think you need to set your risk settings up, man. Lock yourself out. Give yourself a daily loss limit. Not yet. Give yourself a daily loss limit, man. If you're serious about coming in and getting consistent gains, that's one of the ways that you can prove to yourself that that's what you want to start doing. I know it's hard because I went through that same shit too. But You made it this far. You don't want to lose your account. You want to trade small. You say you're going to trade small. Lock how many or put in how many contracts you want to trade. Block the instruments that you don't want to trade. Put the amount of contracts that you want to trade into it. I mean, shit is all there, man. It's all here. Limit how many contracts you can trade. Block the instruments that you don't want to trade. If you don't want to go on tilt and then try to get all your money back with silver, block silver. You know, block that shit. That's what I do in my XFAs. Silver is blocked. And before I take a trade, I lock that shit so I don't go back in and change it. And then that forces me to be patient. It forces me. I have to put myself in a situation where I have no other options but to trade and get my money back. Because, I mean, y'all guys already seen it. It's like I switch. I get emotionally hijacked. And the first thing I do, even though I know I locked it, I make sure that it's not locked. Because if it's not locked, I'm changing it. I mean, I'm going to change it. So that's why the first thing I do is lock out my risk settings before I even take a damn trade. Before I took that trade in my Lucid account, I locked up all my other funded accounts. So if, you know, I hit daily loss limit in that account today, I don't go rushing and trying to get that shit back in blood in my other funded accounts. That's all I have to do. And I would recommend you doing that too, man. So you don't lose the account. Oh shit. Can we make like 20K? Can we make 20K in the account? Nah. I thought about it. I was like, well, do I really want to put my real money into Top Step X? Do I really want to do that? You say you're short one contract right now? Yo, congratulations on that, Live Future Trades. Congratulations on that. So, yeah, I know that, dude. I know that silver trader that had that $36 million short. He's definitely punching the air right now. And this is why you don't. Well, I guess he stopped out. I don't know if he closed or stopped out. I know he's punching the air right now, man. Or he probably got back in. I mean, I'm pretty sure he got back in. But if he didn't. He was short silver at. Hold on, what? Let me look at this real quick. He says the closing price was. Oh, okay. Never mind. He would be almost at break even. So where did he go short? Let me see where his entry was. His closing price was at 106. So let me see if I can find the original. Let me see if I can find it. Man, I really don't want to. Let me see. I think I sent it to Alfred. Let me look at it. All right, so yeah, so his entry was at oh wow. Okay, yeah, never mind. His entry was all the way at $97. Why the hell would you short 97? I thought I thought he was short around I thought he was short around like 17, 16. Wow, he was, dude. Why would you short 106? 109. Yeah, so yeah, he better be glad he better be glad. Because he almost got liquid. So let's just say that he was stubborn and he didn't close out of his position. I mean, the market did come super close to stopping him out. I think the market got to like 121. Yeah, so it got to 121. His liquidation price would have been all the way up here at 125 is what it said, like 125. So he was $4 away from getting liquidated, but he would have broke even. Damn. Yo, I know he's punching the air right now, dude. He's punching the air. Like, goddamn, I took a $4 million loss and I could have broke even. I could have broke even. But he almost got liquidated. So, I mean, which one would you rather have? Would you diamond hand this thing in hopes that it doesn't liquidate you? And then it comes back and you break even? Or do you take the loss, the $4.8 million loss, and move on with your life? Yeah, I don't trade my funded accounts on Friday, Tony's, at all. He said he wouldn't be short. The silver shorter. The silver shorter. Dang, I was literally up 13K. I was up 13K and this thing bounced on me. Going all the way back to my break evens like that, silver. Dude, one day I'm gonna get a trade like this in my XFA, man. But I need to start stacking up these base hit payouts. I'm gonna start stacking those up. And then I'm gonna get a trade like this. Whose birthday is it? Oh, Tony? Or hold on, whose birthday is it? Someone said it was their birthday? Well, if it's your birthday, man, happy birthday, man. Yeah, that's definitely true. What indicator am I using on the right side? You talk about this right here. So this is called black box stocks. It's called black box stocks, and what I'm using right now is these are the gamma levels. This green line is the gamma level. This orange block are the dark pool levels, and this is silver options. So I have the silver options right here on the side. They're very helpful. Lets me know what the silver market is doing on the option side, and I can take my trades on the futures. Yeah, but it's called black box stocks. It's I think I pay now. It used to be at $100, but then they broke it up, and so now all I pay is the 50 or 60 bucks. I think it's. I don't know. I don't look at my statement. I just make sure the money's on there. On the right side. You're talking about, hold on. You said on the right side? Or are you talking about this right here? Are you talking about this? If you're talking about this, this is Bookmap's, what is it called? It's called the Market Pulse. This is the volume imbalance. Okay, yeah, so yeah, this is black box stocks. This is black box stocks. This is black box stocks right here. And this green line is a gamma level. And this orange line is a dark pool. I pay $60 for this. black box stocks. Yeah, dude, it is, man. If you trade the Nasdaq, I mean, shit, Alfred could tell you better than me. Shit, Alfred was using the gamma levels to get multiple payouts. Hey, Alfred, do you still? Well, I don't know. I think Alfred said he went to bed or maybe, but Alfred was using this a lot for his payouts with the Nasdaq. If you're a Nasdaq trader, obviously you look at the Qs. If you trade the ES, obviously you can look at SPY. But I mean, with SPY and Qs, you can look at either one. I mean, they kind of both do the same thing. But I mean, it's up to you. But the gamma levels, they definitely do come in clutch. What the gamma levels help me identify is what direction I should be focusing on. If you're seeing nothing but green gamma levels, then obviously we're in a positive environment. There's a lot more buying than selling. So usually if we're in a positive environment, no matter how many times the bears sell the price down, the bulls will buy it right back up, and vice versa. If we're in a negative environment, no matter how many times the bears or the bulls try to rally price higher, the bears are going to come back in and sell it right back down. So yeah. I canceled black box stock like 3 times already. I've canceled it like 3 times. But I mean, now it's super cheap now, so it's like, well, there's no point in canceling. It's cheap now. It's cheap. But all right. Well, I was up 13K in this. If I was in an XFA, I definitely would have been trailing this. But because I was in my practice account, I mean, obviously the results, I don't care about them. But I just like the fact that we got a great entry right here at the 50% of this range. And we was able to capitalize on this move down. I mean, that's the only thing I care about. When I get into this practice account, I'm still engaged, but I don't really care about the outcome because obviously it means nothing. When I get into a practice account, I want to focus more on my execution. I want to focus on what happens. And so I can kind of use this information when I'm actually in an account that matters. So, no, John, I honestly, I really don't see how anybody, well, actually I do use Bookmap. Bookmap is technically order flow level 2 data visualized on a heat map. I do use Bookmap. I would recommend Bookmap to anybody that feels like they need something visual. I could take a quick screenshot of what I'm looking at right now. So this is what my Bookmap looks like for silver. You can kind of see where the orders are sitting at right here. I do have the time and sales right here, but I only got this to make it look cute. I mean, I don't even look at it for real. I kind of want to use the time and sales to know, like, okay, if people are buying or not. That's it. That's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm not looking at these individually. I'm just saying, okay, people are buying. That's all I need to know. Or people are selling. That's all I need to know. I already got the areas that I'm going to trade at. What I use Bookmap for is just confirmation to see if there's other people looking to trade in the same area that I'm looking to trade in. If there's nobody at that level, I'm gonna still take it. I'm just gonna hope that that everybody else comes back in with me and helps. Like if I'm getting in right here and I don't see any orders on Bookmap, I'm just hoping and praying that it works. But there has been plenty of times where I look and say, okay, there's a lot of people at this level. I'm going to take this, and then, it works out. So, yeah, I definitely use that. But, all right, guys, that's going to be it for me tonight. I'm out of time for this session. I do appreciate everybody that joined me tonight. We'll definitely come back tomorrow morning and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep